Tara, pasukin natin itong napakagandang bahay dito ngayon sa Royal Tagaytay. This is a brand new property with modern and luxury looking facade. Lot area of 300 plus square meters, 350 square meters floor area, 4 bedrooms with massive main door. The living area, very light. And then sliding glass po itong ating nakitang panels right now. Open ceiling. This is a ready for occupancy property with beautiful finished touches and fixtures. You have your pantry area, your display kitchen, by the way. Congratulations sa architect nito na napakaganda at napakagaling gumawa. Then dito sa overhead cabinet, may mga basket. By the way, this property is readily available. Mapapanood niyo po ang ating full house tour nito sa ating YouTube channel. And this one right now is selling in the market for 45 million pesos. If interested, message us today or pwede po i-share ang ating video sa inyong immediate extended large family looking a property here in the Philippines. Then on the ground floor, you have a bathroom and a bedroom with a cabinet and a split air conditioning unit. Look. Nice, right? Beautiful ceiling design. And then you have your sliding glass again. And then your display kitchen. The living area. Your modern staircase with white stones. Perfect wall, adobe. The landing area. Chandelier. Wall finish. Upon climbing dito po sa second floor, you have your hallway, the den, the open below, second bedroom with a bathroom, with a cabinet, adjacent the bathroom area. This is the third bedroom with a bathroom. Beautiful door and a modern cabinet and storage. Now, we're heading to the master bedroom. The master bedroom balcony with the split AC. Master bedroom area. Walk-in closet with a bathtub. Papapansin mo may mga kaibigan tayo nag-ocular because meron tayo ditong ongoing tripping. But before the turnover of the property, so this one with a refurbished, by the way, since although this is a brand new. Imagine waking up every morning dito sa loob ng Royal Tagaytay na nagfa-fog, may malapad na kalsada, plus with 24/7 security, may readily available na ambulance, and many more. If you're interested or anyone instead, message us today. God bless everyone.